Hey everybody, Dan Masters, AD at Lincoln Lutheran. Hey, we're making one last commercial and advertisement to get as many people signed up for our Booster Bowling Tournament as possible. This is the inaugural tournament. It's going to happen on Sunday, November 5th at 2 o'clock at Sun Valley Lanes and Games. And the Booster Club is back. It is revived, it is present, and in lieu of memberships for this year, the Booster Club is having this tournament to raise money for some senior spotlight banners. These banners are going to be hung up in the gym on campus here in the next month. They are going to be a way for us to recognize and show all the different activities that our kids are involved in. You're going to see them representing each of the seniors, and then the kids at the end of the season or at the end of the school year will be able to take them home. So again, I'm encouraging you to sign up for this Booster Bowling Tournament. Funds will go towards these banners. We request that all of the teams sign up by Friday, October 27th. That allows us to make a determination of how many teams we're going to have in the tournament, if we can move forward with the tournament, and we really want to. So if you're somebody that was going to have a team in this tournament, make sure you click on the link that I'll include in this email. Make sure you check out the flyer that's attached. You can scan the QR code. Please sign up, get involved, and we hope to see you at the tournament. Go Warriors!